Okay, now in this section we're going to talk about SEO and meta tags in Gatsby.js and how we can implement them. Now, if you do not know what meta tags are, they are basically a way to tell the search engines what's the title of your page, what's the description, what's the keywords, and etc. etc. Basically, whenever we go in Google, for example, and we search for Gatsby, for example, for Gatsby.js, here we have the title of our web page, and here we have a description, a brief description, which is integrated in our web page here. And if we go to our Gatsby website here, in order to see that, let's inspect our web page. And here our HTML, let me move that, zoom it, and here on top in our head section of the HTML we have some metadata. Basically here we can give our Google websites and our users some information about the website. For example, here we have OG site name, which is Open Graph tags for Twitter, Facebook, how it's going to be displayed on Facebook or on Twitter. As you can see here, we have a Twitter card and we have summary. We have the Twitter site and the tag on Twitter that they have, and we have a description, which is the same as when we searched in Google for our Gatsby.js, and here we see the same description that we have here with the meta tag of description. So this is a way to tell our search engines whether or not to index our pages or how to index them, and what information we can provide. So this is a brief introduction of our section here. In the next lecture, we're going to see how we can add meta tags to our pages. So see you in the next lecture.